Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro dollar, Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So the market has opened and we can see the DXY is showing few green candles and Euro USD is showing few red candles on the chart. Okay, previously market was here and after the market opening we saw that Euro USD has come down to the critical support zone that we have been discussing, and right now Euro USD is standing at the support. Okay, but before placing the buy button you should know few things. First of all, if you observe the chart carefully, then you can clearly see that market has formed a descending triangle pattern, or it means whenever market is going up it is unable to break the previous high. Okay, we have a support around 1.0300 1.02800270. This is the support zone. Okay, and the trend line is acting here as resistance. Okay, and most importantly it resembles a descending triangle pattern. In descending triangle pattern we usually see market breaking the support and going down. Okay, and if you look at the chart of DXY, then you can see that DXY is also going up, but if you look at the chart carefully, then yes, there is not much buying power. DXY, though it is going up, but we cannot consider it as a bullish market, and after all we do not have any fundamental factor also that will be pushing the US dollar towards the upside, because you know it very well that that according to the previous report inflation has reduced, so as a result Fed will not be increasing the interest rate. So as a result, okay, there will not be much buying on the chart of DXY as of now. Okay, and for a trend reversal on DXY we need DXY to cross 109 to 110 level. Once we'll see that DXY has crossed this level, then only we will get the further confirmation that yes, DXY is back in track again. We will see much more upside. Okay, but right now DXY is trading here, so if it starts going up also, okay, there will be multiple resistances. Okay, first of all we have the 200 moving average, the red line around 107.50, and if it breaks also, then we have got 108 level. So the path for DXY will not be very easy. Let's wait and watch, and most importantly we do not have any events also for the day. Market will not have any news that will drive the market crazy. And if we look at the Forex sentiment meter, okay, in the Forex sentiment meter we can see that 45% retail traders have taken short position and 54% are on the long side. So the retail traders are also quite confused right now regarding the direction of Euro USD. So what should be our trading strategy then regarding Euro USD? First of all, okay, descending triangle pattern, we cannot deny it. Okay, and descending triangle pattern is extremely powerful, mostly in a downtrend market. Mostly in downtrend market, descending triangle pattern is powerful. This is an uptrend market. If we observe this overall chart right now here, we can see the overall the market is in uptrend. In the uptrend market we are observing the descending triangle pattern, and we have already we are seeing good amount of support around this level, and then we also have Fibonacci retracement level. So if we combine previous price rejection, okay, if we combine previous price rejection around this level and we also combine Fibonacci, then we can see that a good amount of support has been built. So yes, there is a possibility that for the time being market may go up. Okay, I'm not saying that we will get a trend reversal. Okay, we don't have any confirmation regarding any trend reversal signs yet. Okay, so in case market goes up, at least you can expect a profit of 35 pips. Okay, at least market should be reversing from here. So, and you can see that we have got some space here. Okay, so yes, a small squeeze is still very much possible. I think we should wait for the European session mostly. Okay, let's wait for the European session. During the European session, or at the start or the beginning of the European session, observe the market. Okay, how it is doing. If you see that really it is taking support, you can go for a buy. But in case it breaks it, okay, in case it breaks it, observe the size of the candle. I'll request, observe the size of the candle. Though it is Oh, it is a clear descending triangle pattern here, but still do not go for a complete sell position or blind sell position, because see, in my career I have learned one thing very well, that market does not like common thing. And as you can see that this support is very much visible to us. Okay, so what is possible here is that, okay, market may hunt down, okay, market may hunt stop losses, okay, market may hunt the stop losses around this level, and then market may go up. So in case if you see that market is going down, okay, do not place a sell order immediately. Observe the market for a few hours, because market, the sharks, the big institutions driving the market may go for hunting down stop losses as well. So please be careful. So let's wait for the European session, and then it will be easy for us to take the decision. And to be honest, the picture is not very clear for the US session as of now. Let's wait and watch. Okay, anyways, my dear friends, the next workshop date has been fixed, 1 to 3rd December. Okay, so this time the workshop will be for 3 days. Okay, and yes, the world's most affordable workshop is back again. So my dear friends, I have made few changes. As you can see that I have added my story. So if you really want to know my story, my journey, then you can consider reading it, and you'll also learn why you should how the workshop will transform your life. And see, 3 days workshop. So if you're interested in learning and taking up Forex as a serious source of income, you can consider joining the workshop. You will love it. The link is in the description. Okay, and my dear friends, as you can see, the market is still forming red candles. Don't go for buy position right now. Let's wait and watch for the European session. That will be better.